Hey there, YouTubers, Knight Rider fans. Got the truck back, but I'm still having issues. Driving it back from the shop was about, I don't know, 10-15 miles. I'm still getting that slow RPM drop. So trying to shift gears, a lot of fun. I ran a separate line here into a fuel can. That eliminates the fuel lines to the tank. I'm going to change them anyway. No idea. I guess this was how they did it. There's a metal line. There's your return. There's your feed. I'm going to replace these with rubber lines the whole way. And it's not going to make a difference. So I'm going to call the shop that rebuilt the pump. The same shop rebuilt the pump on the other General, and it runs fine. So I don't know what we're gonna do here, but I do have my power steering pump. The lines are here. Just got to hook it up, run the lines to it, and put some fluid in it, and we'll be good. Hopefully, we'll find out. I'm hoping that I can start doing some work on this thing and have it drivable. Got my tires up front. I still need to get 4 more for the back. I've got all the rims. I've got 4 tires. The bias ply, I just need to change them out once I get the others. I want to take this tank off because I have the other one to go on here. And the crossover line, I gotta shut the shutoff off. I tried one time and I didn't want to break it, so I left it alone. This tank, too big compared to the show. It's smaller and the straps were together, so I have to wait till I get the tank up, see where the straps are, and I'll have to drill a couple holes and bolt it up. Got my pogo stick. I'm gonna replace it because it's all rusty, and change these out. I've got to figure out where to mount it. It was back here somewhere, so that's probably where I'll put it. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, a little bit of an update. At least I have it back, and we'll get this figured out because I got to get an exhaust for it, but I'm going to do that after I paint it, which will be in the spring. It's all been pieced together anyway, so you can see, I don't know, but I'll get another muffler in the stack and all that when I get to that point. Should probably change the dryer, not a big deal. But anyway, needs a bath. There you go. Short but much needed update on the replica semi Knight Rider. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll be back shortly here to figure out what we got to do to fix this problem.